Our smart customers would never allow permanent damage to happen when they know investing in protection is like insurance for their paint. Our ceramic heat reduction window tint keeps your Tesla super cool while delivering maximum UV protection for both your interior and your skin. Our ceramic coating delivers an extreme shine, makes cleaning a breeze while offering great UV protection. No need to wax for the duration you select, presenting our new Tesla Double Protection Service. This Tesla Model S can drive fearlessly, knowing the high-impact areas are shielded from road debris with our premium paint protection film for 10 years. No more stressing over rock chips on the hood or front bumper. It's protected where it matters most. The ceramic coating delivered this deep, rich shine. But it's more than just looks. No waxing required makes cleaning effortless. Fewer trips to the local car wash. Strong UV protection to prevent fading. Our ceramic heat reduction window tint keeps the interior dramatically cooler while blocking harmful UV rays to protect your interior and your skin. And the windshield protection adds another layer of defense, helping reduce the risk of rock chips and costly cracks. This is the ultimate protection package for owners who understand something important. When you take care of your car, it continues to take care of you. Protection is worth every penny.